പിന്നെ കീഴിൽ അങ്ങനെ കാട്ടിൽ മേലെ പോവാ ഹെൽമെറ്റ് ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ
So you're using knife, yeah?
Yeah. So you need a knife because it's hard that one.
So you don't need to remove anything under.
No. Just put a knife in there
Right?
and then prise it up this bit. It's got lock there, so when you push it down, pull the thing, put it out. So our one is this one.
Yeah.
The parking light,
Yeah, that's the one.
that's remover. So you just take it out, twist it clockwise, it comes out. And that's it. So you can leave it like there. Make sure you use a glove because you don't want chemical from your hand to touch it. And then just prise it up, just pull it out like that. It's
Okay.
out. So put the new one. New one goes in there and then twist it counterclockwise. So this side goes first. That's first. Push it in, and then this goes in. So you need to put that screw back in there. Just only one towards that. Screw it up. That's it.
That's it, yeah?
Yeah.
Cheers. Cheers, mate.